Now we are discussing about chemical business options. In that today we are discussing about washing blue manufacturing. What is laundry blues? Bluing laundry blue. Dolly blue is washing blue is household product used to improve the appearance of textiles, especially white fabrics used during laundering. It adds a trace of blue dye, often synthetic ultramarine, sometimes Prussian blue to the fabric. And next point is, what is Dolly blue made of? Dolly blue was made from china clay, caustic soda, sulfur, pitch and other substances, and then was ground before being baked in kilns. The raw blue was washed and processed to make Dolly blue, added to synthetic rubber, paints and other products. And next point is, what is a blue bag for washing? Laundry blue or blue bags were used to whiten cloths before commercially produced washing detergents were available. The bag was placed in the final rinse to whiten cloths and linen. Blue bags and had many other uses, including as a soothing agent for bee stings. Why? Next point is, why blue is used after washing white shirts. That blue is the complementary color of yellow and serves visually to offset the yellowed appearance and make fabric look whiter. And next point is, what are the three types of laundry? There are different types of laundry services such as pickup laundry services, commercial laundry services, dry cleaning services. What are the types of laundry business? Next point is, what are the types of laundry business? Self-service laundromat, wash and folded laundry services, dry cleaner, high demand, easy startup, work from home, ability to specialize, organization. And next point is, what chemical is in blue bags? Sodium azide is best known as the chemical found in automobile airbags. An electrical charge triggered by automobile impact causes sodium azide to explode and convert to nitrogen gas inside the airbag. And next point is, what is a bluing agent? In laundry bluing, a product adds a trace amount of blue dye to white fabric during the laundering to improve its appearance. Bluing products in higher concentrations can darken jeans and other blue fabrics. Liquid bluing is a colloidal suspension of a very fine blue iron powder and water. This is the information regarding washing blue manufacturing. It is most important for laundry, especially for getting good white color for white shirts. Wishing you all the best.